Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Franklin the Risk Lover. I'm a graduate from the University of Cape Coast who got introduced to trading at my level 200 stage in school. And after a couple of years, I've been able to figure my way out, known the ins and outs of the trading industry. I've doubled accounts. I've passed prop challenges and I've made a decent amount for myself. And I created this particular YouTube channel to also help you spice up your trading journey. So why don't you consider subscribing and liking this particular video? Okay, so over here I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach of how I took my biggest trade in this entire month. I'm going to show you how it happened on USD JPY. So let's zoom into the chart and let me show you how it happened.
Yeah, so this is the trade on the USD JPY. Okay, you know USD JPY has been extremely bullish. Okay, it's extremely bullish, and the whole of this month I have been taking bull trades. Okay, I've been buying all the time. So there are two ways of trading. It's either you are trading with structure or you are trading against structure. Okay, either of them can be profitable depending on the person behind the system. Okay, so over here on my Discord channel, I teach my students over here trading against the wind. I teach my students how to trade with the wind or to trade against the wind, trading with a structure or trading against structure, and they are extremely profitable. Okay, so this particular day I was looking for bull trades. This was my last trade that I took um on the Friday before the Monday. So I realized when we stepped into the Monday, I saw a very strong pullback, a very strong pullback. Okay, a very strong pullback from here um to this particular area. Then when I saw that, I realized that we are about to make the biggest profit this entire month because of that particular pullback that we had. I knew we were structure, market structure was bullish, and I knew we were going to come back to being bullish again. So all that I was waiting for was I was waiting for a composite man to come into the market and start pushing price to the upside. Okay, and lo and behold, I saw that thing unfolding. And after this particular push that we had over here, that broke this particular structure. Then after this push, I asked myself, where did it come from? Okay, then I started locating the demand zones within this particular push. Then I realized these two demand zones. Then I was waiting for price to come back to mitigate either of these zones. Okay, and lo and behold, price did exactly what I was looking for, and I started looking for my entry criteria around this area. Okay, so over this area I saw two entry criteria which I also teach in my Discord channel. Okay, I teach my private students over here the golden nuggets 3. I teach them my three entry criteria. Okay, but over here I saw two of my entry criteria, and I know that anytime those two entry criteria clashes, the trade will be a winning trade. So I was confident as far as this particular trade was concerned because I saw two confluences unfolding over here, and I took the trade. We had a pullback, and we had a pullback towards my stop loss, but I wasn't worried because I knew that the trade was going to be a winning trade, and it started pulling back into my profit. Okay, so that was how I was able to pick this particular trade, and the rest was just management. And I think I broke even around here when price was I broke even here when price was around this area. Okay, so that is how I took this particular trade on USD JPY. So follow me on TikTok at lens __fs. Okay, that is where I showed my account and how the profits were running over there. So check that one too and see.
Load. So that is how I was able to pick my biggest trade in this particular month. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and like this particular video. Okay, so one of the places people really struggle in trading is their psychology and their emotions. So in my next video I'm going to show you how I was able to manage my psychology and my emotions through the ups and downs to be able to catch the biggest pip I did in that particular trade. So see you in my next video.